Pregnancy is a special time. It's a journey filled with anticipation, excitement, and a myriad of emotions. As you embark on this incredible path, it's important to have the right tools and information to guide you every step of the way. You are growing a little one. This tiny being inside you is developing and changing every day. Understanding these changes can make your experience even more magical. A pregnancy calculator can help you. It is a tool that provides valuable insights into your pregnancy. By entering a few key details, you can unlock a wealth of information tailored specifically to your journey. It tells you important information about your pregnancy. From the estimated due date to the various stages of fetal development, a pregnancy calculator keeps you informed and prepared. A pregnancy calculator can tell you when your baby is due. Knowing your due date helps you plan and prepare for the big day. It also allows you to track your baby's growth and development week by week. It can also tell you other important milestones. These milestones include the first heartbeat, the first kick, and the various stages of your baby's growth. Each milestone is a precious moment to cherish. These milestones are exciting to track. They provide a sense of progress and anticipation, making your pregnancy journey even more engaging and memorable. They help you prepare for your baby's arrival. By knowing what to expect and when, you can make informed decisions about your health and your baby's well-being. This preparation ensures that you are ready for each stage of pregnancy and beyond. Pregnancy calculators are easy to use. With just a few clicks or taps, you can access a wealth of information. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it simple for anyone to navigate and understand. You can find them online or on your phone. There are numerous apps and websites dedicated to providing accurate and up-to-date pregnancy information. These resources are readily available, ensuring that you have access to the information you need whenever you need it. They are a helpful guide throughout your pregnancy journey. From the first trimester to the final weeks, a pregnancy calculator is your companion, offering support, information, and reassurance. Embrace this tool and let it guide you through one of the most beautiful experiences of your life. One of the first things you want to know is your due date. This is a significant milestone in your pregnancy journey, as it gives you a timeline to prepare for the arrival of your little one. Knowing your due date can help you plan your prenatal visits, make necessary lifestyle adjustments, and get ready for the big day. It's a date that many expectant parents eagerly anticipate and mark on their calendars with excitement and hope. This is the date your baby is expected to arrive. However, it's important to remember that this date is not set in stone. It's an estimate based on the average length of pregnancy, which is about 40 weeks from the first day of your last menstrual period. While it gives you a good idea of when to expect your baby, it's not an exact science. Every pregnancy is unique, and babies can arrive a little earlier or later than the due date. It is just an estimate. Many factors can influence the actual birth date, including the baby's growth rate, the mother's health, and even genetics. Some babies are ready to meet the world a bit sooner, while others take their time. It's perfectly normal for a baby to be born a week or two before or after the due date. This variability is why it's called an estimated due date, rather than a guaranteed one. Most babies are not born on their exact due date. In fact, only about 5% of babies are born on their due date. The majority of babies arrive within a 2-week window before or after the estimated due date. This range is considered full-term and is perfectly healthy. It's important for expectant parents to be flexible and prepared for the possibility of an early or late arrival. Keeping an open mind and being ready for any scenario can help reduce stress and anxiety as the due date approaches. A pregnancy calculator uses the first day of your last period to determine your due date. This method is based on the assumption that you have a regular 28-day menstrual cycle and that ovulation occurs about 14 days after the start of your period. By adding 280 days or 40 weeks to the first day of your last menstrual period, the calculator provides an estimated due date. This is a common and convenient way to get an initial idea of when your baby might arrive. It adds 40 weeks to that date. This 40-week period is considered the average length of a pregnancy, also known as the gestational period. It's divided into 3 trimesters, each with its own unique developments and milestones. The first trimester covers the first 12 weeks, the second trimester spans weeks 13 to 26, and the third trimester includes weeks 27 to 40. Understanding this timeline can help you track your baby's growth and development throughout your pregnancy. This is the average length of a pregnancy. However, it's important to remember that every pregnancy is different. Some pregnancies may be slightly shorter or longer, depending on various factors such as the mother's health, the baby's growth, and even the number of babies being carried. Twins and multiples, for example, are often born earlier than single babies. Your healthcare provider will monitor your pregnancy closely to ensure that both you and your baby are healthy and on track. Your doctor will also confirm your due date. During your first prenatal visit, your healthcare provider will ask about your menstrual cycle and may perform a physical exam to estimate your due date. They may also use other methods, such as measuring the size of your uterus or performing an ultrasound, to get a more accurate estimate. Regular prenatal visits are essential for monitoring your baby's growth and development and for making any necessary adjustments to your due date. They will use an ultrasound to check on your baby's growth. Ultrasound is a valuable tool in prenatal care, as it allows your healthcare provider to see your baby and measure their size. This information can help confirm your due date and ensure that your baby is growing as expected. Ultrasounds are typically performed at various stages of pregnancy, with the first one usually done around 8 to 12 weeks to confirm the due date and check for any potential issues. Knowing your due date helps you prepare for your baby's arrival. It gives you a timeline to plan for important events, such as setting up the nursery, buying baby essentials, and arranging for maternity leave. It also allows you to mentally and emotionally prepare for the changes that come with parenthood. While the exact date may be uncertain, having an estimated due date provides a sense of direction and helps you get ready for the exciting journey ahead. The best pregnancy calculators give you more than just a due date. They provide personalized insights throughout your pregnancy. These calculators can tell you what trimester you are in. They can tell you how big your baby is. They can tell you what symptoms you might be experiencing. Some calculators even offer helpful tips and advice. This information can help you make informed decisions about your pregnancy. Accuracy is important when using a pregnancy calculator. You need to enter the correct information to get accurate results. The most important information is the first day of your last period. This date helps calculate your due date. It is also important to know your cycle length. Accurate information ensures you get the most out of the calculator. It helps you track your pregnancy accurately. Section 5. Why cycle length matters. Understanding the length of your menstrual cycle is crucial for various reasons, especially if you're planning a pregnancy or simply want to know more about your reproductive health. Your cycle length is the number of days between your periods. Typically, a menstrual cycle is counted from the first day of your period to the first day of your next period. It can vary from woman to woman. While the average cycle length is about 28 days, it's perfectly normal for cycles to be shorter or longer. Some women have cycles as short as 21 days, while others may have cycles that last up to 35 days or more. It can even vary from month to month. Factors such as stress, diet, exercise, and overall health can influence the length of your cycle. Keeping track of these variations can provide valuable insights into your health and well-being. Knowing your cycle length helps the calculator determine your ovulation date. Ovulation is a key event in your menstrual cycle, and pinpointing it can be essential for those trying to conceive. Ovulation is when your body releases an egg. This usually happens around the midpoint of your cycle, but the exact timing can vary. Understanding when you ovulate can help you identify your most fertile days. It is the time when you are most fertile. If you're trying to get pregnant, knowing your ovulation date can significantly increase your chances of conception. Conversely, if you're avoiding pregnancy, this information can help you plan accordingly. Accurate cycle length information improves the calculator's accuracy. By consistently tracking your cycle, you can provide the most precise data, which in turn helps the calculator give you the best possible predictions. It helps you understand your body better. By being aware of your cycle length and its variations, you can make more informed decisions about your health, lifestyle, and family planning. This knowledge empowers you to take control of your reproductive health and overall well-being. Section 6. Introducing the best pregnancy calculator. There are many pregnancy calculators available, but what to expect's pregnancy calculator is the best. It is easy to use and very accurate. This calculator considers your last period and cycle length. It provides personalized insights throughout your pregnancy. It also offers helpful tips and articles. These resources provide valuable information about pregnancy. Section 7. Easy to use, easy to understand. Using the What to Expect pregnancy calculator is simple. Enter the first day of your last period. Enter your average cycle length. The calculator will then calculate your due date. It will provide you with personalized information about your pregnancy. The information is presented clearly and concisely. You can easily track your pregnancy week by week. Section 8. Benefits of using a pregnancy calculator. Using a pregnancy calculator offers peace of mind. It helps you understand what to expect during your pregnancy. It helps you prepare for your baby's arrival. It allows you to track important milestones. It also provides you with helpful information and resources. This information can answer your questions and address your concerns. Section 9. Plan for a healthy pregnancy. A pregnancy calculator is a valuable tool for expectant parents. It helps you track your pregnancy and prepare for your little one's arrival. Use the What to Expect pregnancy calculator. It is the best tool available. Share this helpful tool with your friends and family. Enjoy this special time. Embrace the journey of pregnancy.